Memorial Day is an occasion for both grief and celebration, reflecting on the tragic loss of life and also recounting the courageousness of military service. For those who have served and those who lost their loved ones who served, this day holds special significance. This day also gives all citizens the opportunity to pay tribute and remember the lives of those who have been lost in the defense of our nation. This year marks the 80th anniversary of the D-Day invasion of World War II. On June 6, 1944, the first wave of Allied forces swarmed the beaches of German-occupied Normandy, and the invasion known as D-Day began. On that single day, more than 2,500 Americans lost their lives for our country. By the end of World War II, more than 400,000 Americans would perish defending our freedom. On Memorial Day, we honor all service members who lost their lives, but this year, let's keep our World War II veterans in our hearts and minds. As their numbers dwindle, it is up to us to capture and tell their stories to ensure that their memories live on. Of the 16 million Americans who fought in that war, approximately 110,000 of them are still with us today. Some of them were teenagers when they served, and all are now approaching or have surpassed 100 years of age. Their bravery and heroism displayed on the beaches of Normandy, across Europe, and in the Pacific theater is the stuff of movies and legend. Their selfless desire to serve and willingness to sacrifice their lives to defend our nation is a debt we can never repay. There are so many ways we can honor the contributions of our fallen servicemen and women. Today should not be the only occasion we remember them. By sharing their stories, we give others a glimpse of military service and hope that they carry that legacy with them to create a better world and stronger nation. Duty, loyalty, courage. These are just a few of the American values our fallen heroes lived and died for. As a nation, we must remind ourselves of these values and do our best to try to live up to them ourselves. Let's carry forward the legacy of those who have made the ultimate sacrifice and commit to building a strong nation, resilient communities that do not forget its past. I will now ask all members of VFW Post 2833 and the VFW Auxiliary to stand for the VFW Memorial Ceremony. As long as two comrades survive, so long will the veterans of foreign wars of the United States of America render tribute to our heroic dead. Comrades, attention. On this day, forever consecrated to our heroic dead, we are assembled once again to express our sincere reverence. This monument represents the resting places of the many departed comrades who served in all wars. Wherever the body of a comrade lies, there the ground is hallowed. Our presence here is in solemn commemoration of all these men, an expression of our tribute to their devotion to duty, to their courage, and their patriotism. By their services on land, on sea, and in the air, they have made us their debtors. For the flag of our nation still flies over the land of the free people. Parade rest.
a moment, thank your veteran today, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you very much.